The density of water at 20 degrees centigrade is 998 kg per meter cube and at 40 degrees centigrade 992 kg per meter cube. The coefficient of volume of expansion of water is. Here the data given are T1 is equal to 20 degrees centigrade and the corresponding rho 1 is equal to 998 kg per meter cube and T2 is equal to 40 degrees centigrade and rho 2 is equal to 992 kg per meter cube. Then we know that rho T2 is equal to rho T2 is equal to rho T1 divided by 1 plus gamma into delta T. Then we can write this delta T as T2 minus T1, that is rho times T1 divided by 1 plus gamma into T2 minus T1. Then by substituting the values, we get the answer, that is rho T2 is nothing but the T2, that is 992 is equal to 998, that is rho T1 divided by 1 plus gamma into 40 minus 20. Then by simplifying, 992 is equal to 998 divided by 1 plus 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 gamma. Then we can write, cross multiply this one, 992 into 1 is 992 plus plus 20 times 992, or we can write in a different order, that is gamma we need to find here. So we need to find the gamma. Then we can write this one as 1 plus 20 gamma is equal to 998 divided by 992. Then 20 gamma is equal to 998 divided by 992 minus 1, that is equal to 998 minus 992 divided by 992, which is equal to 6 divided by 992. Then answer is gamma is equal to 6 divided by 992 into 20. We get the value, that is 3 times. Then this is 10 times. Then 9 plus 9, 18, it becomes 20. Then we get the answer, that is 3 into almost 10 to the power of minus 4 per degree centigrade is the gamma value. Option 3 into 10 power of minus 4, option A is our right answer.